Right, lesson number 15, equations. So this lesson is not at all a new one for you all. Equations is uh, a lesson that comes to you from grade 6 onwards. Grade 6 onwards, you are getting that lesson in all the classes 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11 also you have the lesson. If you understand the grade 10 lesson, grade 11 lesson is going to be super easy, right? And also remember this, if you get any question in your O-level paper regarded to this lesson equations, don't ever miss that question. And when you are done with the question, your mind should say, exactly, I'm going to get marks for this. That's how you have to be confident with this lesson. And it's very easy. So in the beginning of the lesson, a review exercise is given to revise the knowledge on earlier grades, what you have learned on equation. So we'll just discuss few selected questions from that to make you realize that this is something familiar to you. So just have a look on the first question, part A. It's given 2x plus 8 is equal to x plus 12. Now you can see in both the sides you have an unknown term, that is x. So when this type of an equation is given, the first thing you have to do is you have to take the like terms to one side. That means unknown terms to one side and numbers to one side. So you know the carrying process I have taught you. If you're carrying a positive value from left hand side to right hand side, you should make it negative. If you are carrying a negative value from left hand side to right hand side, you should make it positive. And the same process is done vice versa when you are doing from right hand side to left hand side as well. Right. So what am I going to do? I'm going to keep 2x this side and I'm going to carry x this side. So you will ask me, can't I keep x this side and carry 2x this side? Yes, you can. I'll do in both the ways and show you. So I'm going to carry x to this side. This is a positive x. So when I'm carrying to this side, it becomes negative. Now, in this hand, in this side, I have only 12 and this 8 I'm taking to this side because until that moment, it is in this side only, like this way. So what am I doing? I'm carrying it to that side. So I'll do it in another step. When I'm carrying 8 to that side, it becomes negative since it's a positive here. Now I can solve this one. I'm getting unknown term x is equal to 4. The same thing can be done in another method, but I'm not recommending that to you. But some students are there who are doing that kind of work. They are doing like this. They're keeping 8 here and they carry the 12 this side, it's negative 12. They keep the x here, they carry the 2x here, it becomes negative 2x. Then what happens? This becomes 8 minus 12 means minus 4, x minus 2x means minus x. Now you can shuffle both. Both are negative, negative. Negative to negative get cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to plus 4. To check your answer in your exam, even you can check your answer. How do you check that? I can substitute x for here. Here, see, 2 into x. X means 4. 2 into 4 plus 8. Let's see, 2 into 4 plus 8 means 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. It should be equal to this hand. That means 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12 is 16. Now you can see these two are equal. That means your answer is correct. This is how you can even check your answer in your exam. Did you understand this first question?
Yes.
Right. Quickly copy down equations, put review exercise and copy down this. We are going to discuss review exercise today completely because I want to revise everything. When you're done, raise your hand. Okay, right. Most of them are done. Now we'll go to the next one. Okay. Second one is a different question. What is different in that is you have brackets. Okay. You have brackets there. Yeah, most of them are doing good. You can do them. B, 2 into x minus 3 equal 4. You are getting 2x minus, if you multiply this, 2 into 3, you are getting minus 6 equal 4. Taking the negative 6 that side, leaving 2x here, you are getting positive 6. Then you are getting 4 plus 6 is 10. If 2x is 10, 1x means if you are buying 2 pens for 10 rupees, 1 pen is you have to divide and see. Okay, I'll give a task for you. Do everything in review exercise now. I'm going to give you 1 minute for each. Altogether, I'm going to give you 10 minutes and I'll give you extra 2 minutes. So altogether, 12 minutes will be given from now. 8:45 to 8:57. 8:45 to 8:57, you are going to have a time. Within that time, you have to do all the questions of review exercise, and we are going to see how many correct responses you are going to get. Then we can check how much of knowledge you can remember in your previous grade. Start doing now. Part C. It says 5x minus 8 equal 2 into 3 minus x. Now I'm solving the bracket first of all. So I'm getting 2 into 3, 6. 2 into minus x is minus 2x. Now you can see this is something similar to part A. So bigger number here, carrying 2x to this side, plus 2x, and 6 here, minus 8 comes to this side, plus 8, 5 plus 2, 7x, 6 plus 8, 14. Dividing both sides by 7, x is equal to 2. You can see 5 into 2, 10, 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 equal to, my answer is correct. Check it. If you have any doubts, drop a text. If it is correct, put a tick. If it is wrong, correct it. Now I'm going to part D. I'm erasing this one. Right. If you are writing or something, just let me know, okay? Part D, 2 into y plus 3 equal 3 into y minus 1. When brackets are there, children, always remember you should remove the bracket. Removing bracket means you are multiplying the terms inside the bracket by the term outside the bracket. Now I am getting just like the A part. So I'm taking 3y minus 2y, because if I take this one this side, I'm getting negative answer. I don't like negative, so I'll make it positive. 6 plus 3, 9. 3y minus 2y is y. Raise your hands who got correct answers. Hmm? 3 of you have got wrong. What is that? What is a mistake? What's there to get wrong? Okay, Sabana correct. Sabana, raise your hand. That's easy for me to count. Right. The ones who have done wrong, please correct it. Now we are going to part E. 4 minus 5, 3 minus p equal 2 into p minus 1. In this case, what should you solve? Very carefully you have to learn BODMAS. BODMAS is, yeah, bracket. What should I write in the next step? Can anyone tell me?
4 minus 15 plus
5p equal to 2p minus 2.
Very good, Sahdi and Sabiha. 4 minus 15 plus 5p. Just you have to multiply this. Equal 2p minus 2. Now I can say 4 minus 15. 4 minus 15 minus 2 I'll take here, plus 2. No, that is a problem. Negative comes. 5p I'll keep here. 2p comes here. Plus 15 comes here. Okay. minus 4 comes here, minus 2 already there. Now if I solve this one, what am I getting? Azima, minus 4 and minus 2. What is it, Azima? Minus 6. Very good. Minus 6. Now she got it. Minus 6. Here you are getting 3p. 3p equal 15 minus 6 is 9. So if 3p is 9, you know that 1p is 9 divided by 3. You are getting answer 3. Who got this answer? Raise your hand for E part. P is equal to positive 3. Raise your hand, the ones who got the answer. Okay, good. This time only 2 people wrong. Azima, is it wrong, your answer?
That's
Mm, right, correct. Okay, right. Let's go to the F part. Have to be honest in your marking. F part, x upon 2 plus 1 equal 3. Now in this case, I can do two things, children. One is the hardest step. X over 2 plus 1 over, I'm taking 1. Denominator is 1. I'm making my common denominator 2. Right? I'm getting here x plus 2 over 2 equal 3. Then what am I doing? I'm taking the 2 to this side. You know, division means when it comes to the other side, it becomes multiplication. Now I am getting 3 into 2, 6, and plus 2 comes this side, minus 2. X is equal to 4. This is one method. You are getting common denominator. What is the other method? Easy method.
x over 2 multiply by 2 and then plus 1 multiply by 2, 3 also multiply by 2.
No, that's also a longer
Taking,
method.
carrying one to the other side.
That is easy. Carrying 1 to the other side. X over 2, keep it here. Carry 1 to the other side. You are getting 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now you can see denominator, this is division. When I'm taking to this side, it becomes multiplication. Just within 2 steps, we can finish the work. Sabiha, your method is, you said thing, I was just thinking, you said now multiplying this by 2, this by 2. If I do like that, I'm getting 6. That is wrong.
It's all 3 by multiplying by 2.
No, dear. If you do that, here, see, will you?
What
One, no, here. 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 2, 6, right? Huh? Am I correct?
Yeah, Miss 6.
Okay. She's telling 2 over.
Miss, x over 2 also multiplying by 2, then 2 get cancelled.
You are saying multiplying x over 2 also by 2. Okay, okay. Then okay. Yeah.
Then everything will
Yeah.
get cancelled now, Miss.
But rather than that method, always try to use this method, shorter method. Right. Who got correct answer? Any method, x equal 4. Who got correct answer? Raise your hand. Okay, good, good, very good. Most of them. Now the next one, E, F, G. G part, what is it? 5 minus x over 4 equal 1. Here also the same thing. What am I going to do? I don't like negative. I took it to this side, made it positive. I brought 1 to this side, made it negative. 4 equal x over 4. You know what to do. You have to carry 4 into 4 equal x. X is equal to 16. I'm checking my answer now. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. My answer is correct. Raise your hand. Who got this answer? good number. Now we are going to the H part, good number. H part. Why my board looks crooked? Right. H part is 3 minus 2x over 5 equal 1. Okay. Rukai, unmute your mic and explain me what should I write the next step.
1 plus 3.
Okay, 1 plus 3. Decide. Okay, you are telling me to write 1 plus 3 here.
Wait, miss.
Hmm. Others get ready. Randomly, I'll take you to explain I part.
Yeah, 1 plus 3. 2x equals 1 plus minus 2x over 5 equals 1 plus 3.
Okay, she's telling minus 2x over 5 equal 1 plus 3. Okay, Rukaiya, is it correct? Are you sure of your answer?
Yes.
Okay, but I am telling something is wrong. Who can tell me?
Miss, it should be minus 3.
It
Because
should be minus 3 because she has not done any changes for this. It's completely written without any change. Positive 3 is carried to this side. It becomes negative 3. If I go in Rukaiya's method, 1 minus 3, what I don't like, negative 2 and negative 2x over 5, it's okay. Negative get cancels. 2x over 5 is equal to 2. Now what is the next step? You have to carry 2 over 5.
5.
5. So 2 into 5 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is x. X is equal to 5. That method I skipped. 5 times 2, 10. 10 divided by 2 is x. X is equal to 5. I'm checking my answer. 2 into 5, 10. 10 divided by 5, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. My answer is correct. Rukai, what's the answer you got for x?
Minus 10.
Minus
10.
Okay, let's see. Minus 2 into minus 10 is plus 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So with a small symbol, you got a mistake. So final answer is 5. Correct it. Raise your hands, the ones who got the answer. I want to check how many correct people. Should be a less amount maybe. Oh yeah, this number. Right, we'll go to the I part now. I part should be explained by Sabiha. Sabiha, explain I part. What's the first step?
making the denominator common.
Okay, what is the common denominator?
12.
12. Right, then what is the numerator?
4x plus 3x.
Very good. Right, what is the next step?
7x over 12 equal to
Okay.
7.
Next step?
Then 7x equal to 12 multiplied by 7.
Very good. Next step?
Then dividing 7x
Okay, right.
equal to 84.
You can do that way also here without multiplying. Dividing by 7. 7 and 7 gets cancels. X is equal to 12. What she did was, you can see these are two different fractions with different denominators. I told you in the last chapter as well. When you get different denominators, you have to multiply and get the LCM with the common denominator. So the common denominator, you can see it's 12. Both are common for the multiplication table. So I can get 12 by multiplying this by 4 and this by 3. If you do any changes for the denominator, you have to do the same effect for the numerator as well. So I multiplied both my numerators by the same number I multiplied the denominator. Then I got this. Now I have to add this. These are like terms. I get 7x. 7x over 12 equals 7. You have to carry the number to that side. Since this is a division, you have to multiply from both sides. You get multiplication. And then 7x equals 7 into 12. So to remove this 7, since this is a multiplication, you have to divide both sides by 7 and you are getting the answer. Raise your hands who got this answer. Good number. Very good number. Okay. Wait a second. Right. Now the next question. Next question, Sahdia. Unmute your mic and explain it to me.
First carry +1 to the other side. So 4 minus 1.
Yes.
A minus 3 equal A minus 3 over 2 equals 4 minus
Wait,
1.
wait, madam. I'm talking about
Sorry,
J.
miss. Yes, miss. Sorry, miss. 5, no. First carry 4 to the other side.
Very good. Carry 4 to the other side by multiplying. Then?
Then 5x minus 2 equals 8. Then carry minus 2 to the other side. So 8 plus 2 equals 5x. Then divide 5x by 5 and 10 by 5.
Very good.
So
the answer is 2.
2.
You can check your answer. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. She's correct. Who got the answer? Raise your hands. Good number. Azima, where did you go wrong? Can I know which step you went wrong? First, second, third, fourth. Which one?
Third.
Third means this step. What was the mistake? What did you write for third step?
I multiplied 3 into 2.
Where 3 came from? All of a sudden, send me a working in WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah. Copy down and send it to me later. Right. Okay. Azima send it to me. Right. Okay. Now who is the next one? K part. K part. Rukaya, Sahdia, Sabiha. Yes, Azima. Azima, explain me the K part.
You bring the +1 to the other side, so 4 minus 1. A
Okay,
minus
wait
3.
here. She's telling a minus 3 over 2. She's taking to take 4 minus 1. Correct. Then?
You multiply the 2, 3 into
Very
4
good.
minus
2
1
into 3. Then? What is it?
equals A minus 1 equals 3. A equals.
A equal 3. What is it?
Yeah, I missed that.
Something wrong. You are so hurry. A is equal to 6 plus 3. That is 9. Who got the answer? Send it to me. Sabana, can you hear me? If you can hear me, your answer is correct. But A is equal to minus 9, not minus 9. It should be plus 9. And yeah, others. L part. I'll discuss the L part. Wait a sec. Give me 1 second. Okay. Right. Yeah. Last question now. Now we can check how many correct responses you have got in total. X minus 3 over 4 equal half. This question is important. So I'll do it for you. 2 and 4 different denominator, but you can see these are related denominators. So 2 into 2 is 4. I can multiply the top one also by 2. Bottom one also by 2. Now I can do Right, here I'm getting 2x plus 2 plus x minus 3 over 4 equal half. Now you can remove the denominator. You can solve up part numerator. Like terms are there. 2x plus x is 3x. Azima, plus 2 and minus 3 is how much? Plus 2 and minus 3 is how much? Sorry? Minus 1. Great. Now 4 carried there. So I'm getting half into 4. You can see you can cancel this one. 2 into 1 and 2 into 2. 3x minus 1 equal 2. But minus 1 can be carried to the other side. You are getting plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. X is equal to 1 because 3x equal 3. X is equal to 1. Raise your hands who got x is equal to 1. Very good. Very good. 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 Very good. Now send each and every one how many correct responses you got out of 12. What is your score? Okay, right. Azima, your mistake in J part is you have cancelled 2 and 4 from the numerator and denominator. The mistake is there. You never can't cancel when there is a subtraction mark or addition mark because it is an expression. With an expression, you can't cancel. Only if it is a normal division, you can cancel. That is the mistake you have done in the first step in J part. Clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now we'll see Sahdia, Sabiha. I got only 2 people. Others count and send me how many correct responses. Okay, quickly send. K part answer somebody is asking. Okay, K part. K part answer is 4 minus 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. A is equal to 9. K part answer. Sabana, your mistake is you have multiplied. I'll tell you in a recording. I'll send you a recording later. Okay. Sahdia, how many correct? You have sent me 2 responses. Are you sure?
No,
Which
miss.
one?
I send the K answer.
Okay, right, dear. Thanks. Right. Azima sent me how many correct? Sabiha sent me. Sahdia sent me. What about the others? Should I repeat it again and again? Quick. I want to discuss one more question. Then I can give you homework. Okay, right. Wait. Right. Okay. Okay, right. Good. All correct, Sabiha and Sahdia. Well done. Right. Others also good. Now, let's go to the next part of the lesson. Write down the topic fast. Solving simple equations described further.
Miss, I did the first question in exercise 15.1.
Oh, very good. Let's see whether it's correct or wrong. Okay. Okay, right. Let's go. Look at this now. This is also same thing only, but the thing is like a little bit of complication, like 2 fractions in either side, two or 3 fractions with brackets, like that. It's nothing much. But I'm going to discuss some one question from your word problem so that you can do the second word problem alone. Now listen very carefully. I'll be reading the question. Try to understand the question and make your answer in the mind itself. A father and his sons, we don't know how many, equally shared an amount of 270 rupees. Now there is a father and there are some sons, we don't know how many, but they have an amount of 270 rupees and they're sharing this amount equally among themselves. Then the amount each person had was 45 rupees. Now, if this amount was shared equally, father is receiving 45 rupees and each of the son are receiving 45 rupees. Taking the number of sons as x, construct an equation, solve the equation, find the number of sons. Now, number of sons is x. So I have to go to the question again. A father, now see, a father, one father, and his sons. So adding his sons also, number of sons is X, equally shared an amount of 270 rupees. Now what to do? They have an amount of 270 rupees. They are sharing this amount equally. So how do you write this now?
Miss, shall I tell?
Multiply by 45.
Okay, multiply by
Miss, X
45.
plus 45 equal to 70.
Wait a second.
Please, I meant multiply x plus 1 by 45.
Okay, wait. This is the number of people. Sorry, this is the number of people. Now amount shared was 270. Now just think, you all are having 5 friends. You all are 5 friends, right? So you're having a 270 amount. You're dividing this among the 5 people. So the same thing only here also. You have 270 amount. You are dividing this among the 1 plus X people, so that each person is receiving 45 rupees. This is your equation. Did you understand? You're having an amount of 270. You have this much of people. You are dividing this amount among these people so that each person gets 45 rupees. Now, this type of fractions are only given in your third question. That's what I selected this question. Now listen, you have to make it as a linear equation. If you make it as a linear equation, this would be more easy. How do you make it as linear equation? Usually, if we want to remove the denominator, what we do, we multiply it from both the sides. So here also, what we do is we multiply it from both the sides. Now, I'm solving the brackets. I'm getting 45 plus 45x. Now, you know, numbers are like terms. So what can I do? Azima, what can I do? Next step.
You can cancel.
No, cancel. Rukaya, what can we do? You have to be in the lesson. I'm going in a flow. What should I do as the next step?
Subtract 45.
Very good. I have to carry this number to this side. You know, these are numbers. When I carry, I have to subtract. Now, unknown term is in one side. Now you subtract and tell me what is the answer, Sabiha? 270 minus 45.
225.
Very good. 225 is equal to 45x. Sahadya, tell me, if 225 is 45x, what is 1x? You should simplify by 5 times table. It's easy. 225 divide by 45. What's the answer?
5.
Okay, she's telling 5. Is it correct? Others? Very good, very good. Answer is x is equal to 5. That means there were 5 sons to him. 5 plus 1 is 6. 270 divided by 6, you will get 45. Equations lesson, that's what I told you. You had to be confident, I told you, because you can check your answer. By substituting, you can check your answer. When you check and you realize you are getting both sides equal, answer is correct, definitely you are getting the marks. Copy down this
Miss,
working.
I got
Yes?
it in another way.
You got another way. Send me your working.
I didn't like multiply 45 into 1 plus x. I
That
divided
thing I have
direct.
done in the second step. You have done it in the first step itself, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. Totally fine. Copy down this working and mark your homework. Exercise 15.1, second and third question. Put your answer here, x equal 5. And remember one more thing. For this unit test also, you will get a tough paper because I'm really good at this lesson and I like this lesson. So I'll put your so tough questions. Make sure you are ready for that. This Sunday class, you have the paper for fractions. Get ready very well. Word problems will be coming. 2 hours online paper. It will be discussed in another particular day. Square root paper, okay. Binomial should be given, right? Okay. Done?
Done, miss.
Okay, great. Mark your homework, exercise 15.1. Check and tell me, do you have any difficult parts in this lesson? While you're doing the exercise, you will face it. And if you're bad at any question, you can request me in the next week so that I will discuss the difficult question. Don't be scared to ask any question that you want me to discuss, right? And the other thing is, before we go to simultaneous equation, you have to be a pro. You have to be a pro in these type of linear equations, okay? Right, that's all the lesson for today. The next week's second part lesson will be done. Simultaneous equations will be done. So until that, have a nice day. Goodbye. God bless you. And Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, miss.